In this video lecture, we are going to learn about inductors. Inductors are also referred to as AC resistance as they oppose any change in the current through them. The main characteristic of inductor is that they have ability to resist the change in current and store energy in the form of magnetic field. The standard unit of inductance is Henry. So we have two types of inductors, fixed inductor and variable inductor. In fixed inductors, we have air core, laminated core, ferrite core, toroidal core, shielded surface mount inductor, and wireless inductor. In variable inductors, we have shielded variable inductor. In fixed inductor, first we have air core inductor, or we also call it radio frequency choke. So as you can see, there is no core inside this coil, so there is only air, which has very low permeability. So it has very low value of inductance, which is equal to 0.85 millihenry, and its tolerance is plus minus 2%. It is used for constructing the radio frequency tuning coil. It is also used in filter circuit, in snubber circuit. Snubber circuit is a circuit that oppose the sudden increase in the voltage in the device and protect the device from the sudden increase in voltage. This air core inductor also used in the high frequency application, including the TV and radio receivers. Next we have laminated core inductor. As you can see, this inductor is made by wrapping a wire around a bobbin and laminating it. The core is also laminated. So as it is laminated, it has very low hysteresis and eddy current losses. Its inductance value vary from 0.12 millihenry to 100 millihenry, and its DC current range is from 1 ampere DC current to 200 amperes DC current. It is used for the on-board charger for electrical vehicles, and it is also used in line and noise filter and also in CH and CL filter chokes. Next we have ferrite core inductor, which is made by wrapping a copper wire around a ferrite core. So as we are using a ferrite core, it has very high permeability and high electrical resistivity and very low eddy current losses. And these inductors are suitable for frequencies above the 150 kHz range. They can operate in the temperature range of minus 25 degrees Celsius to plus 120 degrees Celsius. They are used at high and medium frequencies, and it is also used in switching circuit and also used in pi filters. Next we have toroidal core inductor. As you can see, a copper wire is wrapped around a donut shaped core, and it is a very high magnetic field and very high inductance with a very few windings only. So this type of inductor have very low impedance and very high efficiency of inductor. They are used in the medical devices, in switching regulators, in industrial controllers, and output filters in SMPS, switch mode power supply. Next we have axial or color ring inductor, which is made by wrapping a thin wire of copper over a ferrite core. So as you can see in the diagram, it has different color bands on it. So we can find out the value of the inductor similarly as we find in the case of resistor. So this inductor has a temperature rise of minus 35 degrees Celsius. Its storage temperature range from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 105 degrees Celsius. It is used in line filter, filter design, boost converter, and general purpose. Shielded surface mount inductor. So this inductor, as you can see in the diagram, it is shielded. So because of this shielded construction, it has very low noise and its frequency range is up to 5 MHz. It can handle high transient current spikes also. So it is used in PDA, notebooks, desktop, server applications, low profile high current power supplies, battery power devices, in DC to DC converters in distributed power system, DC to DC converters for field programmable gate array. Next we have wireless inductor, and it is basically used for wireless charging, information and communication products industrial, medical and other products. Then we have coupled inductor, the winding two wire in common core for the coupled inductor. So it has two windings basically, and the winding can be connected in series or parallel or as a transformer as per the application of the requirement. Application or requirement. Its operating temperature ranges from 50 degrees Celsius to plus 155 degrees Celsius, and its operating frequency is up to 3 MHz. It can be used in DC to DC converter, in flyback converter, in SEPIC converter, and in CUC converters. Variable inductor. So we have shielded variable inductor. As you can see in this diagram, it has a screw on the top of it. And in this diagram, you can see, in this diagram, it is clearly shown by rotating this core, we can change the value of the inductance. So its frequency ranges from 20 to 129 MHz and inductance ranges from 0.05 to 2.7 millihenry. It is highly durable against the mechanical stress, and these inductors are used in tuning circuit for the radio frequencies.